Hey everybody, I'm coming to you from the last day of the Nashville seminar with A.A.H.A, my continuing ed seminar. I'm going to start today's video with a question for you and a poll to vote on. What is the #1 most widespread zoonotic disease in the world? This is the topic that I started my day with today. So go ahead and vote now if the poll is working, and I will come back to this at the end of the video. Moving on from that, I went to my next lecture as an exotic animal surgery lecture. This is for little tiny mammals, so hedgehogs, sugar gliders, bunnies, guinea pigs, ferrets, looking at different techniques for spaying and neutering these guys. It's something that we do, and I'd be happy to talk to you about that and why that might be something that you would or would not want for your own pet. After the exotic animal lecture, from there, went and tried to, here, I'll just show you a quick video about what I tried to do during the lunch break.
It's officially 12:30, so all chips are in the hopper. Now it is grand prize time. It's our CTL9 9-watt laser. Retail price is $14,950.
Next lecture was canine infectious respiratory disease. This is a conglomerate of several different pathogens, meaning several different viruses and bacteria that come together to cause upper respiratory, coughing, sneezing, fever, basically upper respiratory disease in dogs. Canine influenza can look identical to kennel cough as well, so we talked a good bit about the 2 strains of canine influenza that now exist in the US. Just making sure that our current protection protocols are on board with where the risk factors are in the United States today. But we do have our own specific risk factors in Columbia, South Carolina. I'd be happy to talk with you about what's going to be appropriate for your pet from a protection standpoint, and how you can make sure that your pet does not become infected with these diseases. Okay, coming back to the poll, hoping that poll worked. So, #1 most widespread zoonotic disease, meaning disease that passes from animals to humans in the world today, is leptospirosis. Lepto is carried by our wild animal population. It's passed in their urine. It can remain in the soil. It can remain in stagnant water. It can infect our pets. It can infect us. Tomorrow is a half day. After that, I'll be hopping on a plane, coming back to South Carolina, which is where I want to be. I do have one big surprise that I will be announcing in the next couple of weeks. So y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all have a great rest of your weekend, and I will see you tomorrow.